I have a system that allows me to profit consistently using order flow and technical analysis. And I want to show you guys what I see on my charts to be able to take trades like this one, where I get long at these 52.66s and out at these 83s for about 16.5 points of profit on about 4 points of risk. I'm able to take trades like this very often, and this setup is repeatable, and this system is repeatable. And I want to show you guys essentially my thought process behind this trade. So number one, we have this volume profile drawn from the 9:30 cash open to current market price where I got long. You can't see any further out from this because this is all the volume that's been developed on the day. So just ignore that for now. Essentially, we had price break out of this open area, and then we came down into this area right here, and we defended pretty hard all the way to the upside like this. And what I was looking for was a pullback into this area, this VPOC right here, where there just so happened to be a very large negative delta. What this large negative delta means is that there is a large bidder in the market, a large passive buyer who's willing to suck up almost 1,000 aggressive sell market participants, where 1,000 sellers are coming into his buy order, and he holds the market here. As you can see, it did not go down through that area. We came all the way back up to this high. So essentially, what I was thinking about in this trade was, let me put myself in the position of him and follow in his footsteps, right? So basically, I was targeting this low right here that got put in 2 days ago at these 52.85s, okay? And my target was just 2 points lower than that. So this area right here, buyers pushed up pretty heavily through this area before, and then they defended again. Price came all the way back down. It got defended again, and then we had this gap. And then right here, where price came up and used it as a ceiling before consolidating down and coming all the way back down to here. So that was my target. Now here is the order flow. Here's how I confirmed my entry. So we have this high volume area right here, which is the VPOC. So what that looks like on this screen is this price right here. That's what you see on the right side, is this price at these 66s. So as price came back down into these 66s, where there was this large delta right here, very large bidder, price started. It went like this. It just kind of tapped this price a little bit and was not able to break down through. And so I essentially got long right here, putting myself in the shoes of this large market participant, and with my stop just 4 points below, invalidating my setup if the sellers could push through this buyer's intentions. And I targeted the 52.83s. As you guys can see over here, I'll fast forward this chart. We came all the way up into those 52.83s up there, and that is where I got out. So this setup is repeatable. System is repeatable. This is something that I use almost every day. Yeah, new long form video coming out tonight.